Good afternoon everyone. How are you all? Hope so you all are fine and very good. Yes, now ask me, what about you ma'am? Yes, ask me, what about you ma'am? I am fine, thank you so much. Today we will do exercise in your notebook. So please take out your notebook, pencil and eraser also. Hurry up. And take out your colors also. Good. First I will do prayer. So everyone please stand up. Join your hands. Close your eyes and repeat after me. Say loudly. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Slowly open your eyes. Yes. So everyone, please take out your notebook. Hurry up. Now start your writing work with me. We will do exercise related to vowels. Okay? Write down CW and today's date. CW and today's date. Have you completed? Good. Start your writing work after the red line. Hurry up everyone. Write number 1. This is our first exercise. Write down the heading MATCH. Match it. Take one finger distance. It. Match it. Hurry up. Here, what do? You have to match the picture with their names. Okay? We will make the picture here and we will write the names here. Okay? You have to say and match. Okay? Now we will make the first picture. Make the picture of Bill. Make the picture of Bill. You have to use color here. when you make the picture, you have to use colors here. Okay. First is make the picture of bin. This is number 1. Then number 2. Make the picture of pen. Which picture is this? Pen. Which picture is this? Pen. Which picture is this? Bin. B-I-N. Bin. Which picture is this? Pen. Now go to the next line. Number 3. Make the picture of cat, of curve, slipping line, slanting line. Which picture is this? Cat. Now go to the next line. Make the picture of wave. How to make wave? First make circle, then slanting lines like this. Turn the line like this. Which picture is this? Wave. Which picture is this? Wave. Now go to the next line. Number 5. Make the picture of log. Have you completed? Have you completed? Hurry up. Hurry up everyone. Okay, now see. Take 5 to 7 finger distance and write down here in this side. You have to write down the spelling of log. Right here L-O-G, log. Hurry up. Write with me. Hurry up. L-O-G, log. Then go to the next line. Write down here W-E-B, wave. Write down the spelling of wave. W-E-B, wave. Have you completed? Now next, go to the next line. Write down the spelling of bin. B-I-N, bin. Write down the spelling of bin. B-I-N, bin. Have you completed? Now go to the next line. Hurry up. Write down the spelling of pen. P-E-N, pen. Say and write. P-E-N, pen. Have you completed? Write down the spelling of pen. P-E-N, pen. The last line you have to write the spelling of cat. C-A-T, cat. Hurry up. Have you completed? Okay. Now look here. Just look here. Keep your pencil down. First see this picture. See this picture. Identify this picture. Which picture is this? Bin. Which picture is this? Pen. Which picture is this? Cat. Which picture is this? Wave. Which picture is this? Log. Now just look here. See the words, see the names. Say loudly. Okay? L-O-G, log. L-O-G, log. Now go to the next line. See this word. W-A-V, wave. W-E-B, wave. B-I-N, bin. Read these words. B-I-N, bin. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. C-A-P, cat. C-A-P, cat. Okay, now you read this. Good. Now see, what do? You have to match the picture with the names. Match the picture with the names. Now see the first picture. Which picture is this? Bin. Now tell me, what is the spelling of bin? क्या है bin की spelling? Earlier I told you. Hurry up. What is the spelling of bin? Yes, very good. B-I-N, bin. B-I-N, bin. Now see, where is the spelling of bin? This one is no. This one is no. This one is yes. Now you have to draw one single line. Draw only one line like this and match with the name. Okay. Now next. Which picture is this? Pen. What is the spelling of pen? P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. Now where is the spelling of pen? Yes, I got it. Here. Now match with the name. Have you completed? Good. Now see the next. Which picture is this? Cat. Which picture is this? Cat. Where is the spelling of cat? This one is no. This one is no. Good. Very good. Bin is already joined. Pen is already joined. Which is left? Cat. C-A-P, cat. So match the picture with the name. Have you completed? Next. Which picture is this? Wave. Which picture is this? Wave. What is the spelling of wave? W-E-B, wave. Now where is the spelling of wave? Here. You have to match. Now last. Which picture is this? Log. Which picture is this? Log. What is the spelling of log? L-O-G, log. L-O-G, log. Now you have to join this. Take out your new page. Write down HW and today's date. Hurry up. I will give you 1 minute. Write fast. Have you completed? Good. Now I am going to rub this. Take out your new page. Hurry up. Take out your new page. Start your writing work with me. Write down the heading. Write down the heading. Write here F-I-double-L, feel. Take 1 finger distance. Feel in. Take 1 finger distance. Feel in the. Feel in the. Take 1 finger distance right here. M-I-double-S-I-N-G, missing. Take 1 finger distance right here. vowels. Fill in the missing vowels. Write down the heading. Write down number 1 here. See the heading. Fill in the missing vowels. See. See the picture. First, what do you do? See the picture and fill up the missing vowel. Okay? See the picture and fill up the missing vowel. Now, write down number 1. Make the picture of tag. How to make tag? Standing line, slipping line, curve like this, join this line, make water drops, slipping line, write here T, underline P. Have you completed? Write down fast. You have to fill the missing vowel here, okay? Next, number 2. Next, number 2, hurry up. Make the picture of mate. Right here, and slipping line T. Hurry up. Number 3. Make the picture of lips. Right here L, underline P. Fill in the missing vowels here. Now next, number 4. Hurry up. You see the pictures and fill up the missing vowels. Okay? Next, number 4. Make the picture of dog. Right here D, slipping line G. Number 5. Make the picture of fan. Right here F, slipping line N. Have you completed? Write fast. Hurry up. See, I have no space here, that's why I write here. If you have space, you will continue this side. If you have no space, you will go that side. It means change your page. Okay? I have no space, that's why I use this page. I use this line, I use this space. Next, number 5. Make a picture of 10. Number 10, write here T, sitting line, N. Next, number 6. Make a picture of hot. Make a picture of cup. Write here H, sitting line T, hot. Hurry up. Now next, number 7. Make the picture of sit. Make the picture of sit. Make a chair like this. One boy is sitting on the chair. This is the chair. So write down the spelling of sit. S. Sitting line T. Look out of the line. Write down the spelling of sit. Now next, number 8. Number 8. Make a picture of car. Write down the spelling of car. Next, number 9. Make the picture of man. So here M, sitting line N. Okay, have you found it? Now just look here. See the picture. See the first picture. Which picture is this? Which picture is this? Tag. Now we will fill the missing vowel. Okay? See the picture. Which picture is this? Tag. What is the spelling of tag? T-A-P. Tag. So write down vowel A. Which sound will come? A sound will come. When we see the word tag, which sound will come? A sound will come. So write down the vowel of A. Hurry up. Now next, which picture is this? Net. What is the spelling of net? N-E-T. Net. So write down the vowel E here. Underline. Have you commented? Now see this picture. Which picture is this? Lip. Which picture is this? Lip. What is the spelling of lip? L-I-P. Lip. So write down the vowel I here. Next. Which picture is this? Dog. Which picture is this? Dog. What is the spelling of dog? D-O-G. Dog. So which sound will come here? O sound will come. When we say the word dog, which sound will come? O sound will come. So make one underline. Now see the last picture here. Which picture is this? Fan. Which picture is this? Fan. What is the spelling of fan? F-A-N. Fan. So write down the vowel A here. Next. Which picture is this? Which number is this? 10. Which number is this? 10. What is the spelling of 10? Who tell me? Very good. T-E-N. 10. So write down the vowel E here. Okay, now next. Which picture is this? Hot. What is the spelling of hot? H-O-T. Hot. So write down the vowel O here. Next. Which picture is this? Sit. Which picture is this? Sit. What is the spelling of sit? S-I-T. Sit. So write down the vowel I here. Make one underline. Next. Which picture is this? Car. Which picture is this? Car. What is the spelling of car? C-A-R. Car. Write down A here. And which picture is this? Man. Which picture is this? Man. What is the spelling of man? M-A-N. Man. Have you completed? Go to the next line or go to the next page. Write down adjustment phrase that. Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay, have you completed? Good. Now we will meet in our next lecture. Okay everyone, please take care of yourself. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Keep smiling.